Shiba Inu coin news today. Tesla announced Shib to 20 cents. Shiba price prediction. Shiba Inu has recently been taking over the crypto scene and has become one of the most followed and most talked about coins in recent times. This has led many people to believe the coin has huge upside potential and could make Shiba holders millionaires, with many experts believing the coin could reach highs of $1. With all of the news and new information going around, it looks likely that Shiba Inu token could actually reach highs of 10 cents in the near future, especially with all cryptocurrencies in general growing. One of the main reasons for Shiba Inu's huge potential is that it is one of the most popular coins and has a huge community that supports the coin at every opportunity, with the Shiba community starting lots of petitions for the coin in the hopes that it will be listed on the popular investing app Robinhood. There have also been petitions to have Amazon accept the coin as a payment method. These petitions have gotten over 350,000 signatures altogether. These petitions could maybe be paying off in the near future, as it looks more and more likely every day that Shiba Inu will be listed on Robinhood, as new articles come out every day telling people that the day is getting closer and closer. In this video, I am going to be telling you new information that could have a huge impact on Shiba Inu's price. I have some of the best news that you will not hear anywhere else. So make sure you watch until the very end of this video to know exactly how Shiba could hit 10 cents in the near future. Welcome to Crypto Hype, the best cryptocurrency and Shiba Inu news channel on YouTube. Also, we're giving away $300 at the end of the month to a random subscriber to start them on their crypto journey. To enter, all you need to do is like the video, subscribe, and comment your favorite crypto coin in the comments section down below. Now let's go. Shiba Inu Coinbase listing. Shiba Inu was very recently listed on popular crypto exchange Coinbase. This has increased the coin's price short-term and will also have a long-lasting positive effect on the coin as it becomes easier for more people to invest in the coin. Shiba also recently hit 675,000 holders. This recent increase in holders is likely due to the coin being listed on Coinbase and Binance. This is great for Shiba Inu as the coin keeps being exposed to huge audiences. This is just a sign of how positive things could be for Shiba if it was listed on Robinhood. When Shiba is listed to Robinhood, it is very likely the coin will hit over 1 million holders, which is amazing and will get the coin lots of publicity. It also looks likely that Shiba Inu could hit 1 million followers on Twitter, which is also bound to get the coin more publicity and therefore increase in value. Make sure you guys keep watching until the end of the video to hear about Elon Musk talking about Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu coin jumped 30% and deleted a zero after a tweet from Elon Musk sent the Dogecoin spin-off surging. The Dogecoin spin-off Shiba Inu coin jumped 30% Monday following a tweet from Elon Musk. The Tesla boss tweeted a photo of his Shiba Inu pup, 𝗠cie, causing the hashtag Shib to trend on Twitter. The altcoin has jumped nearly 8,000% in a year, Coinbase data show. The Dogecoin spin-off known as Shiba Inu jumped 30% after Tesla chief executive officer Elon Musk tweeted another picture of his pup late Sunday. Musk's dog, named 𝗠cie, is a Shiba Inu, which is the namesake of the coin and the iconic dog behind Dogecoin. On Sept. 12, Musk first tweeted a picture of his Shiba Inu, saying 𝗠cie has arrived. The latest tweet caused the hashtag Shib to start trending on Twitter as retail traders cheered the price surge. The Shiba Inu coin, which was founded in August 2020 as an Ethereum-based alternative to Dogecoin, surged in comments on 4chan Monday as well. Data from topstonks.com showed. On Twitter, many noted that the coin deleted a zero from its decimal. Even so, the coin is still worth less than a penny despite the jump, which took it to 0.00001090 cents. In the past year, the Shiba Inu coin has surged about 8,000% in a year. According to data from coinbase.com, retail traders have been diving into altcoins such as Dogecoin and Shiba Inu as the drastic price swings often bring big payoffs. Unlike more established coins such as Ether and Bitcoin, one New York family made a $9 million fortune off the parody coin, Insider reported previously. The Elon Musk effect has been a key driver in dramatic cryptocurrency price swings this year, though his influence over the crypto market has been waning some. Others, including billionaire investor Mark Cuban and AMC CEO Adam Aron, have stepped in to continue hyping up Dogecoin. Currently, Shiba is priced at the number on screen now and is up 61.8% in the past 24 hours and is up 94.8% in the past 7 days. It also currently has a market cap of around $7 billion. Shiba has had a trading volume of $4,505,338,232 in the past 24 hours. It looks likely that Shiba Inu could explode in the near future. With all of the news about Robinhood going around, Shiba is constantly trending and constantly being talked about on social media. Shiba Inu has been talked about so much on social media that it is currently the number 2 highest rated altcoin on Lunar Crush. The coin is also currently ranked number 44 on CoinMarketCap. Shiba Inu has been seeing lots of growth these past few weeks and looks very likely to continue the uptrend. especially as we enter Q4, which is normally a bullish period for all cryptocurrencies. I predict that Shiba will rise with all of the big cryptocurrencies like Ethereum and Bitcoin, as altcoins normally rise at this time. Also, if the coin gets listed on Robinhood, it will definitely give the coin a massive spike short term, but it will also be very good for the coin long term. I predict that the coin could see an increase of over 200% before the end of 2021, and I personally will be loading up on Shiba this weekend. Shiba could definitely hit some very high targets in 2021. I believe once the coin hits over 1 million followers on Twitter, it will also get listed on Robinhood and in turn reach over 1 million Shiba Inu holders, which is a huge goal for the Shib community, and will increase the coin's value a lot. I also think Elon Musk is bound to make a couple of Shiba Inu related tweets when the coin hits 1 million followers on Twitter. To finalize my prediction, I believe that Shiba will go up by over 200% by the end of 2021, and the coin's community will continue to grow and break records every single week. Make sure you guys are following me on Twitter to be the first to hear about new uploads and new Shiba Inu information. If you want to learn more about how Shiba Inu could hit 10 cents soon, then check out the video on screen now. You won't be disappointed. What do you guys think the future holds for Shiba Inu token, and do you believe the coin could explode to 10 cents in the near future? Please let me know in the comments what you think. I always reply to all comments. Before we finish today, it would be massively appreciated if you could drop a like on the video and also support us by subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching until the end of the video.